Today I'm changing the oil and oil filter on a Kia Forte. Let's get started. First step is to remove the cap. I recommend taking the drain plug out first before taking the oil filter out, because if you're only using one pan, this is going to gush more oil than the filter will. Take the filter out after this step once it slows down a bit, because that's also going to drain. Alright, let that drain. Now we're going to remove the filter. You can see how it grips it. From here I can use my hands. Make sure you have the pan under it to catch it, to catch that oil. And then next we're going to let this sit for a second. Before putting the new oil filter on, always add a little bit of oil inside of it and wipe that seal around with a little bit of oil to help it seal better. Now we're going to put the filter on. Make sure you get it on there snug. Do not over tighten it. After you add the appropriate amount of oil, the job's done.